everyone in the planet struggles with something or other. There's a difference between struggling and unhealthy, unsafe, unsanitary, dangerous.
We are on restricted fee land, which means that the property cannot be sold or foreclosed on. It can only be transferred between tribal members. So the biggest thing that we faced with trying to get finance for homes is mortgages.
To build or even to help to fix up something if it's gone into disrepair, there isn't really no place to turn.
I went from a trailer to a home, and now I have a home and water, so we can actually live a normal human life. That's all you can say, a normal, everyday human life.
We are not stopping until every house is done.